everybody, and happy Halloween! Right now, we are just by the border of Montenegro and Albania, and right now we're going to be celebrating Halloween. We're going to do something different, a different tradition. So what we're going to do is we're going to scatter candy around, and me and Max will just have to find it. So a scavenger hunt instead of trick-or-treating. Okay, let's put on our costumes now. Okay, right now I have my costume on. I'm just this emoji girl. And then Max, what's your costume?
It's not really a costume.
So he's just gonna wear that all day long.
Okay, what are you doing?
We're gonna go scavenger hunt instead of trick or treat.
What day is today?
Today is Halloween, October 31st in Montenegro.
That's your costume? Okay, what are we doing?
We're gonna go scavenger hunt for candy that we bought in the store.
Yeah, because there's no such thing as Halloween in Montenegro.
Okay, now we're gonna start looking. 3, 2, 1.
What did you see? Since the wood breaks. No, do it with your sister. Ooh. Okay, I want to see this. Why are you climbing there? What do you have, Max?
Candy. There's two candies over there and I can't eat. I need your help!
Teamwork with Zara.
It's on the boat! Max got one of the Kinder. There's another one of that golden egg.
Do you know where it is? Mommy?
We don't know. You want a hint?
What are you looking for?
Kinder egg.
Kinder egg.
We already have the egg Kinder egg.
Well, can get the other one.
Okay, what's the hint?
Okay, the hint is I am buried and protected in the sand.
Oh, that's funny.
Another hint.
Okay, ready for the hint?
Hint number 2.
I am buried and protected with a force field around me.
Number 3.
Okay,
Yeah?
ready? I am hanging out in the corner. How'd you guys do?
I'm gonna eat my first candy now. We found all the candies that my dad hid, and right now we're gonna eat them. I know there's not as much as you usually get in trick-or-treat, Halloween, but yeah, still gonna eat it now. Which costume do you like better?
Subscribe if you like Zara's, like if you like mine.